keep forgetting since I got this new truck that I don't have an easy tag. So I keep going on the toll road thinking, hey, I can just drive. No, I can't. I gotta stop and pay the toll. But I'll probably be getting an easy tag soon. I just got my plates in for this new truck. For those of you who don't know, I just got a 2015 Tacoma TSS. My dad bought it for me, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So, not trying to sound ungrateful, but I just gotta not forget that I don't have an easy tag yet. But yeah, on our way to go hunting. All right, so the gang's all here. We are heading to our spot. This is Jake.
How you doing, man?
Brian.
What's up?
We are gonna stop at Buc-ee's and get some food because none of us have eaten. And then we're gonna go try to kill some ducks. Chicken tendies just like Mama used to make. We're at the spot. Gotta be honest, haven't really seen many birds. We're gonna see how it goes. I see it. Oh yeah. 6 ducks. 6 of them. Don't see him. Oh, I see him, I see him. Yeah. It was kind of too dark for me to really get any more footage. Really wasn't a really good day. It seemed like it was going to be. We were really disappointed, really surprised that the birds weren't flying, but they just weren't moving. I think it might be because it's still kind of warm, but it was overcast. It was pretty windy. It had been raining all day, and so we figured, you know, the ducks were going to be moving, and we were out there for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. We got 2 ducks. One of them we couldn't find, and the other one we just kept. So it wasn't a terrible day. At least we got some ducks, but wasn't what we were expecting going out. Hopefully we'll be doing some more duck hunting soon, and I'll be trying to get better at filming the duck hunts. It's kind of hard to get used to just kind of jump into it like that, because worried about keeping the GoPro on. I don't even think that I got GoPro footage from when we shot the first bird, but I think we do from the second bird. But it's just kind of tough to remember all these moving parts when you're used to just going out and hunting. So I'll just be working to improve that, and upcoming this weekend I'm going camping. So I'm going to get some footage from that, maybe some like hiking and fishing stuff. You can be expecting that coming next week. Maybe some more fishing stuff as well. I just want to say thanks for watching. If you like what you see in here, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section. And always stand up for what you believe in. I'll see you next time.